Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use floor opening tools to draw the hole. Let's try it together. Part 1. Draw openings. Click floor opening in the left toolbar on the floor plan page. Enter the openings drawing page. Click the bottom left corner 2D to select the location of the opening. Choosing plane creates openings in the floor slabs, while choosing top face creates openings in the ceiling slabs. Use shape tools such as line, arc, rectangle at the top to draw the openings. You can create multiple openings at once. After completing the drawing, click Finish in the upper right corner to successfully generate openings. Part 2. Edit openings. Select the opening you want to edit and click Edit in the floating window to enter the editing interface. In the top toolbar, you can choose different tools to edit the opening contour. When selecting the Split tool, the original contour line can be divided into multiple segments, making it easier to adjust the shape as needed. When selecting the Merge tool, the segmented contour lines can be merged back into one piece, facilitating overall movement and size adjustments. When selecting the Align tool, contour lines not on the same horizontal plane can be quickly aligned to the same straight line. You can also use the fillet to adjust contour shapes, supporting a variety of modes, like fillet, inner right angle, chamfer. Here are two chamfering methods. Method 1, directly select an area to apply chamfering. Click Fillet in the top toolbar, choose the desired mode and directly select an area. You can move the mouse to edit the chamfer. When moving the mouse to the appropriate position, click the left mouse button to confirm. You can also enter the fillet radius to edit the chamfer. After inputting, click the Enter key to confirm. Method 2. Select two connected straight lines to chamfer the angle. Click Fillet in the top toolbar, choose the desired mode, then select two adjacent straight lines. You can move the mouse to edit the chamfer. When moving the mouse to the appropriate position, click the left mouse button to confirm. You can also enter the inner fillet radius to edit the chamfer. After inputting, click the Enter key to confirm. You need note that inner fillet can only be applied to right angles and cannot be applied to other angles. After editing, click Finish in the upper right corner. Switch to 3D view to check the effects. Part 3. Delete openings. There are two methods to delete openings. Method 1. On the floor plan interface, click the opening and then click the Delete button in the floating window. Method 2. Enter the opening editing interface, click the opening and then click the Delete button in the floating window. That's all. Thanks for watching.